Hello everyone, welcome to Larapush YouTube channel. In this video, we will explore Larapush custom prompt feature and understand how they work. To begin, let's navigate to the Larapush dashboard, click on Domains, then click on Integration, and here select Website. Now you will see various prompt types. Let's discuss the custom prompt or manual prompt option. With this feature, you can customize prompt according to your preference. For example, if you have a stock market website, you can create a customizable prompt. First, change the heading to subscribe for the latest news on the stock market. You can also modify the subheading and adjust the color based on your website theme. Additionally, you can add your website logo URL to the prompt. Let's talk about the allow text option. Customize the text to your liking, such as changing allow to subscribe. Similarly, you can edit the deny text or even disable it if you prefer. This way you can create an engaging prompt tailored to your website and potentially increase subscription rate. Now let's see how our custom prompt looks on our website. Here, if we allow it, there will also be a default prompt that comes from our browser. If your visitor allow it, then the subscriber will be collected. If you prefer the default prompt to appear directly without custom prompt, we also have the option for the default prompt. But to understand the benefit of custom prompts, let's explore them. In the advanced configuration, you have various options. You can enable or disable your custom prompt for mobile and desktop separately. Here you can adjust the prompt location on your mobile device. The options are top, center and bottom. You can choose accordingly. Now coming to the bottom bell. If you enable this option, you will see a bell icon on your website on the bottom left of your website, which can help increase your subscription rate. And visitors can directly subscribe to notifications by clicking on the bell. Now explore more options. Prompt delay and reappear if denied. Prompt delay allow you to customize the time it takes for the prompt appear after the website loads. Usually the site loading times 2 to 3 seconds. But still, if you want to delay, you can adjust it from here. Now let's see reappear if denied. Here you can adjust how long it takes for a visitor to see that prompt again if we click on deny. So there is a chance that the user might change his mind and ultimately become your subscriber. Another option is manual prompt with backdrop, which is similar to the manual prompt but includes a blur effect to focus attention on the prompt. So this is how Larapush custom prompt feature works. If you have any query, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.